Laura Owens Buchanan, the Zudgeon, Raggy Ober Gans he Coscriffano Agdelanso, for her work with the archives and publication. Willoris, Seeker.
Niasticema, Willoris, in Nisk Beth Gorset Kerno. Esluena.
Tony Burt Camelford, Dereposians in Tabas Kennewick, Hagober, Arteria the Gurno, by examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall, Dame Latty, Slaughterhouse Man.
In Lowen, Niasticema, Dane Latty, in Nisk Beth Gorset Kerno. Esluena. Dane Gleep. Very neat.
Robin Coates, Preston, Australia, Raggy Ober Het Duas, Abath Kerno in Australia, for her continuing work for Cornwall in Australia, Rias Nerthak, energetic giver.
In Lowen, Niasticema, Rias Nerthik, in Nisk Beth Gorset Kerno. Esluena. Further. She was Australia.
Kim Cooper, Redrus, Raggy Gonis the Airtak Kernia, for services to Cornish heritage, Caroris Leafro, lover of books.
In Lowen, Niasticema, Caroris Leafro, in Misk Beth Gorset Kerno. Esluena.
Ivor Corkle, Campbell, Raggy Wanus de Cows Sasso Kerno Goth, and Ertach Dibusianso, for services to the Old Cornwall Societies and Industrial Heritage, Niger, Flyer.
In Lowen, Niasticema, Niger, in Nisk Beth Gorset Kerno. Esluena.
Pamela Cox, Gunnerslake, Dereposians in Tabas Kernewick, Hag Ober Arteria Vigurno, by examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall, Mere Howells, daughter of Howells, family name.
In Lowen, Niasticema, Mere Howells, in Misk Beth Gorset Kerno. Esluena.
Stephen Gadd, Camborne, Dereposians in Tabas Kernewick, Hag Ober Arteria Vigurno, by examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall, Ruskidinic, place name.
In Lowen, Niasticema, Ruskidinic, in Misk Beth Gorset Kerno. Esluena.
Peter Harwood Stratton, Dereposians in Tabas Kernewick, Hag Ober Arteria Vigurno, by examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall, Guas Lancellis, servant of Lonsels.
Lowen, Niasticema, Guas Lancellis, in Misk Beth Gorset Kerno. Esluena.
Bramwell Hayes, Welwyn Garden City, Dereposians in Tabascanuic, Hagober, Autoria the Gurno, by examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall, Canis and Alwal, messenger of the gospel.
In Lowen, Nia Tegema, Canis and Hawail, in Miss Bear Gostet Kerno, Kesluella.
Catherine Jones, Roach, Dereposins in Tabascanuic, Hagober, Autoria the Gurno, by examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall, Goliadus and Mort, watchkeeper of the coast.
In Lowen, Nia Tegema, Goliodorus and Morit, in Miss Bear Gostet Kerno, Kesluella.
Anne Knight, St. Agnes, Rag East Guvians Crave, Rag Ertat Kerno, for her strong support for Cornwall's heritage. Mir Carlisle, daughter of Carlisle.
In Lowen, Nia Tegema, Mir Carlisle, in Miss Bear Gostet Kerno, Kesluella.
Penelope Melmoth, St. Ives, Dereposians in Tabascanuic, Hagober, Autoria the Gurno, by examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall, Wandriadus, wanderer.
In Lowen, Nia Tegema, Wandriadis, in Miss Bear Gostet Kerno, Kesluella.
Rosalind Pesket Penzance, Dereposians in Tabascanuic, Hagober, Autoria the Gurno, by examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall, Doroneth Gelwys, a Beckland geographer.
In Lowen, Nia Tegema, Doroneth Gelwys, in Miss Bear Gostet Kerno, Kesluella.
Leon Peslak Mausel, Ragiover Gans Gatho Revia Hengovic, Hag historian Moric, for his work with traditional rowing boats and maritime history. Cara Scatho Hengovic, lover of traditional boats.
In Lowen, Nia Tegema, Cara Scatho Hengovic, in Miss Bear Gostet Kerno, Kesluella. You know,
Anthony James Richards, St. Kevin, Ragiover Ragilu Hagertak in Kerno, for his work for music and heritage in Cornwall. Tilu Angof, family of Angof.
In Lowen, Nia Tegema, Tilu Angof, in Miss Bear Gostet Kerno, Kesluella.
Karen Richards, St. Kevin, Ragiover Gansertas and Adiscans Kerno, for her work with Cornish heritage and education. Historia Lanhevron, historian of St. Kevin.
In Lowen, Nia Tegema, Historia Lanhevron, in Miss Bear Gostet Kerno, Kesluella.
Edward Rowe, Falmouth, Ragiover, Avocalis and Honmaniath Kernuic, for his work as an ambassador for the Cornish identity. Matt Tregarrett, son of Roach.
In Lowen, Nia Tegema, Matt Tregarrett, in Miss Bear Gostet Kerno, Kesluella. The only time I said I go to out with you.
Sultan Stratton Lagiober Agoth Onaniath Kernuic for his work for Cornish identity. Penfound, family name.
In Lowen Niatigama, Penfound, in Misk Beth Goseth Kerno, Kesluena.
Lennox Stushbury, Ballarat, Australia. Frankie Hober at Duasabath Kerno in Australia for her continuing work for Cornwall in Australia. Mia Porthia Haki, daughter of St. Ives and Key. Unfortunately, the niece cannot be with us today, and bardship is to be received on her behalf by Bard Kevrenner, Chris Dunkley.
In Lowen Niatigama, Mia Porthia Haki, in Misk Beth Goseth Kerno, Kesluena.
Ruth Webb, St. Austell, der Aposins in Tabascanuic hag Ober Algeria de Gurno, by examination in the Cornish language and continuing work for Cornwall, P.S. and Vian, Little Magpie.
In Lowen Niatigama, Peace and Vian, in Misk Beth Goseth Kerno, Kesluena.